Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today's recipe is a very easy and a very flavorful Pakistani dish. It's a chicken karahi. Along with it, I'll be making the paratha, that's the Kerala paratha, which goes well with this curry. Now let's begin. Take a pan, pour in quarter cup of oil, and once the oil is hot, put in finely chopped onions. I've taken 2 medium-sized onions. Saute it till it becomes transparent in color. Keep the flame low, and now let's prepare the ginger garlic paste. I've taken 6 cloves of garlic and 1 piece of ginger, made it into a paste, and make sure your onions doesn't turn brown. Now add in the ginger garlic paste and saute it till the raw smell goes, until you get a nice smell. And to this I'll be adding the boneless chicken. You can make it with chicken with bone too, but this cooks quite faster. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well till the chicken becomes white in color. This will take around 5 to 8 minutes. And now to this I'll be adding 1 cup of curd, or if you're using the chicken with bone, you should add 1.5 cup of curd. Mix it well and let it cook on a medium flame. Now let's add the spices. That's a cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin, pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and garam masala powder, half teaspoon. You'll need to mix it well. Now add in crushed green chilies. Don't make it a paste. You need to crush it and put it, and add flavor to your karahi. Mix it well, and you need to keep it covered and cook for around 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you'll need to add the cream. Here I'll be using the Nestle cream, or you can use the normal cooking cream, and cook it for another 2 minutes and switch off the flame. And now to this you'll need to add the lime juice. I've taken 1 medium-sized lime. Pour it, mix it well, and now your chicken karahi is ready. And to add in extra smoky flavor, I'll be burning 1 piece of charcoal. Put a foil and put this burnt charcoal in. Pour in 1 teaspoon of oil, and you need to close it immediately, and you'll get a nice smoky chicken karahi. Remove the charcoal and you need to mix it well before serving. Serve it hot, and you'll need to garnish it with some coriander leaves. And you can serve this along with naan, tandoori roti, or paratha. Today I'll be making the Kerala style paratha. The Kerala style paratha goes very well with this chicken karahi. This chicken karahi goes very well with the Kerala paratha. Usually we buy parathas from the cafeteria or restaurants close by. Since it's a pandemic, all are hesitant to eat outside foods, so why not make it at home and feel safe? And now let's make the Kerala style paratha. For that I'll be taking 4 cups of flour. That's all-purpose flour or maida. With 4 cups of flour I'll be making around 12 to 15 parathas. And to this I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of salt and 4 teaspoons of sugar. And you need to mix it well. And once you've mixed it well, you'll need to pour some water and make a dough. Pour in water little by little, and you need to make a dough. Add in water if and when required, little by little, and you need to knead it well to make a dough. And once it is formed into a dough, you'll need to add some oil, around 3 tablespoons of oil, and knead it well. Let it rest for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes knead it again till you get a nice smooth dough. And now you'll get a very nice smooth dough which is non-sticky. It shouldn't be very tight. If it is too tight, you won't be able to roll it. And now after 5 minutes, your dough is ready. It needs to be rolled. Take one portion of dough that's one ball sized, and you need to put some flour and make small balls. And now you can roll it. Put some oil so that you can roll and flatten it quite easily. That's 2 drops of oil. And you need to flatten it into a thin roti. And once you've made it a big roti, and you need to put some oil, spread it well, and you need to fold it this way, like how you make the paper fans. This gives in the layers for your paratha. This is how we do it, to make it big and to get more layers. Now make it round. Do it as you see it in the video. And before rolling it back again, you need to rest it for 10 minutes. During the resting period, you can roll the other doughs and keep it ready. Now after 10 minutes, roll it back again. First you can use a hand so that it will flatten easily. And now you can use a roller and flatten it. I'll be making thin parotas. Size and thickness depends on your like. I like it thin and flaky. And once you've rolled it, keep a pan for heating. And we'll need to cook the parotas in a pan. Now once the pan is hot, put the parotas, put some oil. That's 1 teaspoon of oil on both sides, and let it cook till it becomes golden and flaky. You'll need to keep turning it and cooking on both sides till you get a nice, crispy and a golden brown paratha. Cook it on both sides till you get this beautiful looking paratha. This is what you need, the golden paratha. And take it out and keep it on a plate or any flat surface. And you need to do like this so that you get the layers. And your Malabar Porotta is ready. And now you can enjoy your soft yet crispy and flaky Malabar Porotta with the chicken Karahi. Do give it a try. It's a finger licking combination. And post your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.